Hi, Jenny Jones here. And in this financial short, I want to take you on a quick history lesson that'll help you understand more what's going on in our markets when it comes to the COVID-19 pandemic. So let's get started here. Let's talk about the Great Depression, which happened from 1932 to 1937. And the recovery was a 5-year span, and the market recovered about 325%. Next, we're going to talk about the post-war boom, which happened from 1949 to 1956 after the war ended. And the market went back up substantially with consumerism and purchasing and things of that nature. And the market gained over 264 points. Then we're going to talk about the housing boom, which went from 2002 to 2007, and the market went up about 102%. Now, we are on right now the longest bull market in history, almost 11 years, since 2009 through 2020, but we ran into a little hiccup. People are calling that Black Monday, March 9th, which was the worst day the stock market had fell. But let me ask you something. The stock market fell 7%, but the longest bull run over the last 10 and a half years, the market was up 365%. What you're telling me is all of these companies, GE, Procter & Gamble, Verizon, Apple, Chevron, McDonald's, IBM, Coca-Cola, Cisco, which is probably going to do very well with their WebEx application, and companies that are going to use that to communicate in this time. These are all companies that have an opportunity to position themselves very well in this type of economy. Most economies fail when all companies take a conservative approach and they all adjust and they're all laying off, where these companies are hiring at a record clip. Most of these companies, Walmart, these companies make up the Dow Industrial Average. They're the largest composite companies in the United States. Johnson & Johnson, Merck, JP Morgan, Visa, American Express, all these companies will do well. But the question then becomes, you have a choice. The decision is yours. Will you sell and be like everyone else and miss out on possibly another market run? Will you stay the course and keep what you have and hold on to what you have because you're already up 300%? Well, less 7% because of the market drop and the market's already returning? Or will you buy and take advantage of the opportunities of some stock prices that have fallen? You need to make that decision. This is your financial short from Jenny Jones. Thank you. Hey, Jenny Jones here. I'm looking for subscribers. If you know any, have them sign up for my page. I know you're expecting a female. Mostly I save the stories for the name is when I have my workshops or my seminars. So please subscribe below. We should be able to do that for you. I'm going to be able to take care of you. Hopefully all is going well for you. Take care for now.